Have you ever seen those people who write math and it looks very neat and organized? But when you write math, it doesn't look that neat and it feels kind of messy. So what's the difference here? In this video, we will talk about that. So let's begin. So before starting this video, I would like to give a shout out to the channel members. Thank you so much for joining channel memberships. It helps a lot. Okay, now let's come back to the video. Having a good math handwriting doesn't mean that you should have a good handwriting too. Yes, it's obvious that people having a good handwriting will tend to write math neatly too. But this doesn't mean that if you have a bad handwriting, then you can't write math neatly or have a good math handwriting. By following this simple thing that I'm going to tell you, you can have a really good math handwriting too. So here it is. What you need to do is to always follow a structure. What I have seen students do is this, like if they are doing rough math work, they will like write one equation here, write another equation there, one equation there, and so on, because like they are going to throw this paper. Why like waste time writing neatly? No, always follow structure while writing math, even if it is rough work. And from structure, what do I mean? From structure, I mean consistency. For example, you can try aligning the equal to's in the equation. For example, if there is an equation with an equal to on the line above, then try to write the equal to directly below the equal to above. Like this will maintain a consistency in your writing. But like do not force it. Do it when it feels like it will maintain a consistency. Like when there is only one term in the left hand side and on the right hand side of the equation there are a lot of terms. Maintain this consistency of this equal to. Another thing you can do is this, like when you are writing powers, they should be at the same level as other powers. Like if your one power is like down below, other power you are writing somewhere is like high up, it will like mess up with the consistency. You won't like directly notice it, but in your subconscious it will feel messy. Another thing you can do is maintain a consistent spacing between like letters, numbers and words. For example, if you are writing 3x plus 1 plus 3 plus 2, then don't do irregular spacing. Maintain a consistent spacing. Like don't write one term very close to some other term and then the other term is like 1 kilometer away from that term. Then the math you write won't look neat at all. So the main thing that you need to take from this video is while writing math, you have to maintain a structure, a consistency, and try to always do it. Like even in rough work, you have to maintain this consistency. This will create a habit to write math neatly and will drastically improve your math handwriting, and it will look neat and other people would be able to like read it and understand it very easily. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching this video and always remember that math is everything.